Welcome to RoamTech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more banking comparisons and financial insights. Here at RoamTech, we're diving into the HSBC USA versus Santander Bank debate. Which one comes out on top? In this video, we'll break down the features of both HSBC USA and Santander Bank to help you determine the ideal banking partner for your specific needs. For quick access, you'll find links to both banks in the description below. Let's explore their offerings and see how they stack up. HSBC USA boasts a significant global presence and is renowned for its premium banking services. This makes it a prime choice for individuals who travel frequently and require access to international banking solutions. HSBC's premier checking accounts provide perks such as fee-free international money transfers, access to a vast network of global ATMs, and competitive interest rates on savings accounts for those maintaining higher balances. This caters perfectly to high-net-worth individuals and those with international banking requirements. However, it's worth noting that HSBC's branch network within the US is primarily concentrated along the East Coast. Furthermore, avoiding monthly maintenance fees requires maintaining substantial balances, a factor that might not be feasible for everyone. Santander Bank, while providing a diverse range of personal banking services, concentrates more on the US market, specifically the Northeast and parts of the South. Santander's Simply Right checking account stands out by offering no monthly fee if you fulfill the minimum direct deposit requirement, making it a budget-friendly choice for those looking to avoid account fees. It also offers a user-friendly mobile app equipped with helpful budgeting tools and a rewarding credit card program. However, compared to HSBC, Santander's physical branch network is smaller, and its international banking capabilities are less extensive. If global banking isn't a necessity for you, Santander presents a simpler, more accessible option for your daily banking needs. In conclusion, if your financial activities involve global banking and frequent international transfers, HSBC USA is likely the better option. Conversely, if you prioritize a more localized banking experience with lower fees and straightforward services, Santander Bank could be the more suitable choice. Be sure to check the description for links to both banks and select the one that best aligns with your individual financial goals.